Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create Google Forms. So let's get started. First of all, open your Google application on your laptop or PC, and after that you can click on this button. Then you can scroll down until you find form option, and this is the form option, so just tap on it. Okay, and if you want to create new form, you can click on this plus button to create new form and just click on it, and after you click on that plus button, the new Google form will be created. Okay, and now the form has been created and we can edit the form as we want. And for example, I'm going to change the title of the form, and I'm going to add survey for the title, and for the form description I'm going to add like this. Okay, and if we want to add our question on this form, we just need to tap on this option. So just start to make a question like this, and we can select the type of the answer. You can select the type of the answer right here, and for example I'm going to select short answer. Okay, and if you want to add new questions, you just need to click on this plus button. Then for the next question I'm going to add like this. Okay, and for this question I'm going to select multiple choice. Okay, and for the first option I'm going to add like this, years old. And for the second choice or the second option, and you just need to click on your enter button to add new option like this. Okay, and after you're done editing your form, you can send your form by clicking on the send button right here, and you can click on this button to get the link and click on copy. Okay, and after that you can share the Google Form link to your friends. Okay guys, and that's how we can create Google Forms for survey. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.